Get your book published. I share my step-by-step guide on how to publish a book. My number one SMART goal for me is getting another book published this year. My name is Karen Tyrrell and I'm dressed as Songbird Superhero, my book character. I'm a Brisbane award-winning author of empowering books, 2 memoirs and 10 children's books. I've won 7 literary grants and a mentorship with the Society of Editors Queensland. My novel, Songbird Rainforest Rescue, was shortlisted for the Speech Pathology Children's Book of the Year. Now I will share my 10 top tips in getting published. Are you ready? Number 1, passion. Write with passion every day until your writing shines. Set daily, weekly, monthly, and tri-monthly achievable SMART goals. Number 2, notebook. Take your notebook everywhere you go so you can scribble down new ideas. Number 3, groups. Join online writing groups. Connect with new authors on a personal, emotional level. Join my Facebook group, We Are Writers, and please answer all the questions. Number 4, critique. Get your manuscript critiqued. Send your book or chapters to an online or face-to-face critique group. Writers will give you honest feedback and suggestions. In exchange, you critique the writers in the group because they will critique yours. To find a critique group, try your state's writing centres, organisations and groups, or ask your local library. Number 5, rewrite. Rewrite your manuscript incorporating the feedback and suggestions your critique group shared with you. Create a story structure to your book and rewrite to that framework. Educate, that's my favourite one. Educate. Educate yourself on the publishing industry. Connect with publishers, authors, illustrators. Find out what's hot in the industry. Then give your book idea its own unique story twist. Don't forget to enlist in inspirational writing courses too. Number 7, authors platform. Amp your authors platform to the max so it stands out from everyone else's. Create a Facebook author page. Set out an interactive website and create blogs. Expand your social media networks. Join Instagram. Join YouTube. Check out my social media pages, Karen Tyrrell Author, and study what I do there. Edit. Get your book professionally edited by the best editor you can afford. Get your manuscript structurally edited. Rewrite using the editor's guidelines and suggestions. Get your manuscript line edited too. Number 9, submit. Submit to publishers by following the submission guidelines. Follow them exactly. Find the publishers who you are seeking, the genre you write, and follow every step of the submission guidelines. Take your time. Don't rush. Turn rejection letters around. Rethink. Rewrite. Resubmit your manuscript. Number 10. Or you can indie publish your own books. If you decide to indie publish, you will need to do everything to the highest publishing standards possible. Ensure your book is professionally edited, formatted, and the cover is designed to get maximum attention and maximum intrigue. Remember, never ever give up. Work hard. Keep believing you will get published, and you will. Now it's your turn to follow my step-by-step guide to getting published. Please subscribe to Karen Tyrrell Author. That's me. Click the subscribe button below. Ring the bell. There's a little bell button. So then you will get a reminder of my next writing vlog. I love saying vlog. So I will see you soon. Keep writing. Keep publishing. Bye.